Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about critical points, so now I will show you how to answer. We need to find first the derivative of the function. So first the derivative of s squared, we have to ask. First the derivative of s, we have number 1. So we have 4s minus 6. Later that we put first the derivative of the function equals to number 0, so that 4s minus 6 equals to number 0, and we can calculate about s. That's about 6 divided by 4, and that's about 3 over 2. Later that we can put about f of 3 over 2. That means this function in here. And this one we have 7 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.